You're looking for an LED plant light stand that stands up to 6 feet tall. Pineapple, lemons, African violets, and more. What we're going to show you is how to assemble, what this light is about, and show you what it's all, and the information that you need to know. From the Soak provided is an indoor grow light stand, a full spectrum, 20 watts. What we're going to do is open up the product, show you how nicely it's packaged and protected by bubble wrap, each individual piece. Assembly of the grow light is required. We have a gooseneck and the LED top base that the lead needs to slip through and screw on. We have a chrome knob that we tighten to lock into place. A gooseneck that bends with the LED spectrum. We have 2 poles, and before installing the poles, we have a base that has the controller, plugs into a dedicated power source, and the lead that needs to be straightened out. With the pole with the female to male thread and a dedicated plug, slip through. Pull the lead and screw down the bottom. With the female to female, repeat the process and screw down. With the dedicated cables, plug in, lock into place, and shorten the cable by the bottom. We have a white washer, insulates around the pole, and screw in the 2 poles together. Finish screwing down and tighten up every pole. Complete the hooking of the power source to the end and plug into AC. I stand 6 feet tall and the cable is a little over 7 feet. We have the stand. Also, by loosening up this piece allows you to raise the unit up all the way past 6 feet. With the gooseneck in this height, it is 6 feet tall. It measures a little over 6 feet, fully standing. Down towards the bottom is the controller. For our demonstration purposes, the light stand is on the desk. The controller is in hand. We have a blue light. We have the first control button is a timer. Check further online about the details of the timing methods. There are 3 individual timers. Turning the unit on, comes on to a warm type Kelvin. Pressing once, 3 hours of time. The second, from blue to green, is 9 hours, and then 12 to red hours, and then off. We have a negative, decreases the level spectrum from 100 to 10%, and increase by holding. It is a stepless unit. There is no maximum light of warning when the maximum is reached or the minimum. It is 1 spectrum shown. We have 150 LED beads shining with a high PAR value of 92% and 97 CRI. With the heights and all, with the LED at the height of the plant of 5, 10, 15 inches and more, the high PPFD UMOL of M2S. Check further online about the information. It throws 250 of 5 inches, 150, 115 of 10 inches, and 75 of 15 inches. A PPFD. This is 2500 lumens, and what we're going to show you is near the plants and what it looks like. The plant light turning on is simple as hitting the button and setting the timer, and it shines up, giving you the full spectrum of 100% by adjusting the light accordingly by the gooseneck, 6 inches. We have a pineapple, lemon tree, they're required. We have a pineapple, a lemon tree, African violets, aloe vera, and more. With additional lighting in the area, I hope this Grow Light LED light stand is something for your gardening needs of indoor plants. Enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for in your plant light needs. Thank you for viewing.